Hey everyone, today I'll be sharing how I made $10,000 in just 1 week online. Yes, it's possible, and I'm breaking it down step by step so you can do the same. Identify a profitable niche, why it's important, focus on something you're passionate about or good at. Examples: digital products, affiliate marketing, freelancing, etc. Quick tip: passion keeps you motivated. Research your audience. Why research matters: know who you're selling to, target the right audience. Methods: use social media, forums, surveys. Pro tip: understand their pain points and needs. Create a valuable offer. What makes an offer valuable? Solve a problem or fulfill a need. Examples: ebooks, courses, services. Key takeaway: always focus on providing genuine value. Build a simple sales funnel. What is a sales funnel? From capturing interest to making a sale. Steps: social media ads, landing page, freebie offer, email collection. Actionable tip: use tools like landing page builders or email marketing platforms. Launch and promote. Promotion methods: email marketing, social media, engaging with your audience. Why engagement matters: build trust, answer questions, and turn leads into buyers. Example: how this approach helped me convert sales quickly. And there you have it, a step-by-step process on how to make money online. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on making money online.